you know, it's not all that bad because you would go to Swami and spend $10 on this. So I mean, $10 is not that much. You know what I'm saying? It's not that much. $10. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here. Sorry I have been MIA and not posting relevant videos lately. I just started work and I come out until 3, and I know you guys are like, what the fuck, 3 is early, you could still do your videos. I can't because my brothers are home and they laugh at whatever the hell I'm saying because I'm technically talking to myself with that phone just in front of me, so they just laugh. So yeah, so today's video is not going to be about makeup whatsoever. It's going to be about clothing. So to start the video, I wanted to ask you guys, and for you guys to answer the video down below, because you guys watch my videos but you guys don't tell me anything, or like you guys rarely tell me what you guys want me to review. So I need you guys to talk to me because I cannot read you guys' mind. So what do you guys want me to do giveaways with clothing? Just like makeup giveaways, but with clothing, outfits, shirts, dresses, whatever. Would you guys want me to do that? And by doing a clothing giveaway, I don't mean I'm gonna go sneak into my fucking closet and look for whatever I don't wear and give it to you guys. No. I mean, I am gonna go out and buy stuff that I think are fashionable at the moment, or things that I think are cute, or sometimes I might just go on Instagram and ask you guys, you know, would you rather this shirt or this shirt? And depending on which one you guys vote the most, that's the one I'm going to be giving away. So would you guys want me to do that? Leave that in the comment below, and again, talk to me because I can't do videos if you guys don't tell me what the hell you guys like. So, moving on. We are going to go ahead and talk about prom dresses. I know prom dresses are expensive and everyone wants to go looking like a diva to your prom. There's this website and there's an app where you can buy prom dresses, and on the picture they look like actual real nice prom dresses, but they're very, very cheap. I mean very cheap. They don't even go over 100. So we're gonna be checking 3 of those dresses out today and see if this app or this website actually works and gives you what it's promoting. The Wish app, and I'm gonna be showing you guys dress by dress. The first dress I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This dress retails for $79, but plus shipping they charge you $12. So 73 plus 12 would be 85. So the total I paid for this dress was 85. So now we're gonna go ahead, try it on, and see if this dress actually looks like the pictures. Okay guys, so this is the first dress, and as we can see already, this is not the material that was shown on the picture. It seemed like it had diamonds, and this just has like glitter, and the fabric is not all that bad, but it feels kind of cheap. Now for $73, I mean, I wouldn't actually buy this dress for $73 if I saw how it looked on the picture. So that would be that. This is a messed up or something. It was just that. I would buy this dress probably if it was like $10, because I mean, it's not all that bad. It's just $73 for the quality of the dress. It's not good whatsoever. So yeah, let's just go ahead and move on to the next dress. This is the next dress right here. Now this is a very pretty pink laced dress. I liked how it looked on the picture. I liked how it looked on the models, so that's why I went ahead and bought that one. This one retailed for $17 plus 9 shipping, which would be like $26. So I'm not expecting like a really, really good dress, but I'm not expecting a really shitty dress either. So let's go ahead and see how this dress turns out. I hope it turns out better than the black one, because you were expecting diamonds all over this and they give you this for $85 if you include shipping. That's just no bueno for me. Okay guys, this is how the second dress looks. As you guys can see, if you have boobs, this would be a perfect dress for you to show that off. I don't have any, so that is a con. Now another con, literally see everything under me. There is no under fabric in order for you not to see what the hell I'm wearing under. So if I were to be wearing a thong right now, you would be able to see it completely. Here's another con. I am a very skinny, really flat girl. So I guess if you have breasts to hold this, and I did try it, I tried holding it like this to see if like filling it would hold your elbow part, and it would. So if you're like very skinny like me and you have like nothing to show here, I would recommend tailoring it. But I mean, honestly, the dress is not all that bad. It's just, yeah, as you guys can see there, you can see everything underneath me. So I would wear like another skirt under, or I don't know what the hell you're supposed to do in this type of situation. Cover it. Like if you wear another fabric, you won't be able to see it at all. But honestly, I'm not mad at the dress. Like, it's really cute. I actually liked the sleeves. They're very cute. They look like the actual picture. So I am very much liking this dress better than the past one. Like a witch. I know my lip color is not helping because I don't know why the hell I decided to wear this lip color today. I definitely went out of my comfort zone. I never wear dark lipsticks because I look darker and they make my teeth look uglier. So I don't wear that. So I apologize if that bothers your view. But anyway. Okay guys, so last dress. I decided to go a little bit more affordable than the last one. So this dress retails for $11 plus $7 of shipping, which would be $18, which is not that bad at all. It looks a little simple, but it looks really elegant. Let me just show you guys. So as you guys can see, it is very elegant. It looks like it's like puffy, and it looks like summery, perfect for like prom, because prom is usually in every school is around May or June, so it's almost heading towards summer. So I found that dress really pretty. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Okay, I ordered it in size small, right? I don't know where in the world this is a size small, but it is definitely not my size. So we already started bad. Let me just go ahead and put it over, or I don't know, put it on. Hopefully it magically shrinks while it's on me or something. Okay guys, I put it on, and what the fuck is this? This is literally 10 times bigger than what I am. I mean, I can tailor it, but they probably charge me around $30 to tailor this, so I might as well just ask them to do me a new dress. Like, what in the world is this? How would they confuse the size small with an extra large or a medium or a large? I don't know what size this is. Like, if you guys saw the picture, it does not have that black stuff that it's supposed to have, like that black lace under it to make it puffy. It does not have that. So what the fuck is this? Like, why promote something that is not gonna look like the picture? I just don't get it. Okay, so those were the prom dresses. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend the first one and the last one, which would be this one first. I would recommend the middle one, just that you would have to either tailor it if you have no tetas. And if you do, then I think that'd be perfect for you. And another thing, you would have to add like a bottom layer of fabric, or buy yourself some skirt that is loose or something that goes under that dress, because homegirl, if you wear thongs, then you're not gonna want people to see that. So that is that. This one, it looks pretty. The material it's okay. It looks nice, like whatever. This could be my freaking background or something, I don't know, but it's just not my size. What the hell am I gonna do with something that is not my size? So yeah, that would be that, you guys. I honestly liked the dresses, but I didn't like the material, and I didn't like the fucking sizes that they gave me, or I'm just too skinny and the dresses just don't fit me because I am a stick. So it would be like putting a dress on a broom. It would just, I don't know. So if you guys do get to order any of these dresses, let me know if they worked out for you, and let me know from whom you bought it. because there are different vendors. So maybe my vendor is an asshole and just wanted me to fucking spend my money on fucking nothing. I don't fucking know. Now, if you guys do order something and you guys don't like it, you guys could definitely return it and they will definitely return your money. So that is a good thing, I guess. But I mean, the whole process of returning and whatnot, it's like, I'll just keep the dress, throw it in the trash. Well, who cares, you know? Yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like my video. Remember to talk to me. I need you guys to talk to me because I can't read you guys' mind. I need to know what you guys like from me, what you guys don't like from me, if I act too stupid, if I am too boring. If you guys need something more from me, I need to hear it. I need you guys to tell me because, again, I'm not going to read your mind. I can't read your mind. I can't even see who you are. So, although thank you if you're watching me. So I need you guys to talk to me, comment down below what you guys want, what you guys like, and let me know if you guys want me to do that outfit giveaway. That would be so much fun, I think, because people give away so many stuff, but nobody gives away clothes. Shit, free stuff is free stuff, girl. So yeah, you guys let me know, and thank you guys for watching me. Remember to subscribe. Girl, if you haven't subscribed, what the hell are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Just subscribe and click that little bell and comment on my videos. Thank you guys one more time, and I'll see y'all next time. I'll see you guys next time.